Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your girl, Just T, y'all. OMG. OMG. Let me start by saying I was trying to make the friendship cake that was inspired by Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen. Awesome idea. She inspired, YouTubers to make a friendship cake only using two ingredients. And the two ingredients that you were only able to use were going to be your choice of pop, whatever pop you wanted to use, and it was a can, which would have been 12 ounces, and your choice of whatever cake mix you wanted. So I caught myself yesterday doing this video, making a cake with the two ingredients. Well, my cake dropped in the oven, and I was wondering why. Well, I went to Google and found out because I live in Colorado Springs, I'm baking at a higher elevation. I think it's like about 6,300, 400 feet above sea level is where I am. So baking is actually more difficult here. So let me show you guys the cake that I made yesterday. Looks like a freaking donut. So this is the cake. This was the two ingredient cake. Now, it was not even supposed to have a hole in it. But you see, it rose, but then it sunk in the middle. And when I picked it up out the pan, y'all, the whole middle came out. Look at that. It looked like a big behind donut. This was just the Fanta and the pineapple cake mix. And I can't put this out there. I can't do that to nobody. I can't. I don't even know what else to say about this cake. I really don't. It just, I don't know, y'all, but I wanted to keep it so I can show it to y'all. Can you guys see that? Yeah, look at it. Look like a big freaking donut, right? So I decided I'm going to just make another cake. And I apologize, Mama Ray Ray. It's not going to have the two ingredients because I'm going to be baking at a higher elevation. I have to use the directions that they give you on the back of the box back here, you guys can see, for higher elevation baking. So that's what I'm going to have to follow. So mine is going to have some flour in my cake mix and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into this video because I'm still going to make this cake. I'm still going to call it friendship cake, but it's going to have more than two ingredients, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get my stuff together, and I'll bring you guys right back. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and I'm going to make a pineapple supreme cake. It's the cake that I chose for the challenge. I don't really think it's a challenge. I think it was just an inspiration. She wanted to inspire other YouTubers to make a friendship cake, to just like bring everyone together. So I chose the pineapple, and I also chose the pineapple Fanta. Pineapple cake, pineapple pop, right? So I'm going to still try to add the pop to this, and I'm hoping that my cake don't fall again, because if so, I'm going to decorate that little donut and put it right on out there, and there you go, friend. Okay, so in this, I'm going to also have to add some flour, it said, because of the elevation again. So the box is telling me to add 2 tablespoons of flour to the cake mix. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And also, I have to add 3 eggs. So add eggs in here. I also have to add in some vegetable oil, like 1/3 cup. And I'm gonna also, instead of the water, because it was 1 cup of water, so I'm gonna try to add in the I'm gonna do a cup of this pineapple pop. So let me just do 1 cup of that. Yeah, if I need more, I'll get some more, but I'm gonna hopefully pray that this cake don't drop on me, because it was too funny, guys. And then it's 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. So I was very inspired though, Mama Ray Ray. Y'all gotta go check out her on her channel. I'm gonna put her link down in my description box as well. And the other YouTubers that did make that friendship cake, there's quite a few of them. Like, you ladies did an awesome job. Awesome job on those cakes. Like, really awesome job. They look really nice. And the cupcakes, they look really nice as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to beat this up. And I also have my oven preheated for 350. And one of the things I was reading up on baking at higher elevation, they were saying like you can maybe change the temperature of your oven. You just kind of have to find things that kind of work for you, because everybody's stove is going to be different here. So I'm going to try to bake this cake according to what the box is giving me the directions for. Baking at high elevations, and it's saying 350. So I'm going to try for 350. Lumps in here, a little bit, flour. It smells really good though. I made yesterday with just the 2 ingredients. I did taste the batter, and it was really, really good. Like, I could really taste the pineapple in that Fanta pop. I could really taste it in there. And you know, I can't taste this one right now because it's got the raw eggs. But how many of y'all remember growing up when your mom baked the cake and it had eggs in it? And I used to could not wait to get that cake bowl. I'm like, yeah, bring them old eggs back, right? The ones that didn't kill us. New eggs, boy. But I used to couldn't wait to get that bowl. My mom got all her cake batter out of. I'd be sitting there with the big old spoon. Okay, I think it's about good. Looks like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my pans ready. All right, I'm back. I'm about to spray my pan. This was the size that I did yesterday as well. It was like, you know, a small little cake pan. My husband was just laughing, you know, saying, "Oh man, hopefully it don't drop again." He said, "If so, I can probably just put a tennis ball in the middle of it." So if it happens again and it comes out like a donut, I'm still putting this video out here. I'm putting it out here because this will be the second time that I'm trying to bake a cake in Colorado. OMG. Come on, Lord. I need to probably pray over this bowl before I put this stuff in here. I should pray. Jesus, take the wheel. But I'm hoping that it works. So we shall find out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try one. I'm going to try one first. So I'm just going to do one right now. See how it comes out. So I'm going to go ahead, guys, and get this one in the oven. Y'all say a prayer for me that my cake don't drop in the middle. So I have the cake in the oven, and it is starting to kind of do the same thing that it was doing earlier, but I just raised up the temperature by like maybe 20 degrees. So I'm like, maybe that might help save it. I don't know, but I guess we're gonna find out. Can you see it? Yeah, I guess we'll find out. But it's, you know, making that little donut form again. So we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. Okay, guys, welcome back, y'all. I'm so excited because the cakes did not actually fall all the way. They were about to fall. They started to fall. I'll say this one. This one started to fall. Sink down like that. Do that little donut thing. So what I found out is I need to bake a cake, or I'm thinking breads or something, on 375. The box actually called for me to bake at 350, even at high elevation. But I upped the temperature from 350 to 375 and they didn't drop. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate my cakes, and I'll bring you guys back when I'm all done decorating them. Okay, guys, welcome back. It's your girl Just T, y'all, and I just decorated my cake, my friendship cake, after the second try, because as you saw, my first attempt at the cake failed. But it is what it is, you know. So I was not able to use only the 2 ingredients, which were the cake mix and your choice of your pop. I had to add flour and the eggs into mine because of the high elevation. But I think it came out pretty, wouldn't you say? Look at this cake. Looks so pretty. Look at there. And I also have a video on how to make the crumble as well. So if you would like to know how to make that strawberry crumble, go ahead and look on into that link in the description box. It's gonna be right there. But as always, guys, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a blessed rest of your day. It's Just T, y'all. I'm out.